Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Polaroid Mint Pocket Printer. First, ensure your new printer is fully charged using the included USB cable. This usually takes about 1.5 hours. Next, open the paper tray and insert a pack of zinc photo paper, making sure the blue calibration sheet is at the bottom, facing down. Finally, download the free Polaroid Mint app from your device's app store to begin the setup process. Once charged and paper is loaded, open the Polaroid Mint app on your phone. Turn on your printer, then follow the in-app instructions to connect it via Bluetooth. After a successful connection, you can choose a photo from your device's gallery or snap a new picture directly within the app. Take advantage of the various editing features, like filters and cropping, to perfect your image before sending it to print. The Polaroid Mint app offers many creative options to make your prints unique. You can easily add decorative frames, playful stickers, or custom text to any photo. For a more dynamic look, try the collage feature to combine several images onto one sheet of zinc paper. Remember, the zinc paper has a peel and stick backing, allowing you to turn any print into an instant sticker for scrapbooks or decorations. To ensure the best quality from your Polaroid Mint printer, always store your zinc paper properly, away from extreme temperatures or humidity. If you notice any streaks or imperfections, gently clean the print head with a soft, dry cloth. Before printing many photos, quickly check the battery status in the app to avoid interruptions. A fully charged printer ensures consistent, vibrant prints every time you use it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.